What's up, y'all? Yep. As you see behind me, this is the update of the motor swap on the JDM Honda Accord. Yeah, as you can probably hear that I'm a little on the sick side, so it's gonna be a quick video. There you have it. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, it turned out pretty good. Not too bad, don't mind it. It is on the dirty side. We have been driving the car. You know, it is a daily driver. Yeah. Running real good. Yeah. But yeah, there you have it. The engine swap is done. The bay is all neatened up. It looks good. It is dirty because I do not have the wheel wells in it yet. As you can tell, I don't have the running boards on it either. I still gotta finish those up and whatnot. Just been so busy. But yeah. I'll have to detail it again because it is pretty dirty. But yeah, it turned out pretty well. It's not perfect or anything, but it's, you know, daily driver, above quality. Doing good. And I still gotta make a battery box for the trunk. The battery's just kind of floating right now. You know, sketchy. I just ran new wire up to the starter because I was having a voltage drop with the old wire. So I stepped it up to a better wire. Yeah. True statement. It is daily driven. Ugh. Shut up. Yeah. Damn helicopter. Yeah, there you go. The official mileage on it. And believe it or not, this does have a full tank of gas. The gas gauge is not working very well anymore. It's off bad. Yeah. Do have a belt squeak. I haven't been able to diagnose yet. Pretty sure it's just the alternator belt. It needs to be replaced. There you have it. Running good. Got good pressure to the fuel rail. Runs good. No smoke. It didn't smoke before with the old engine, but it leaked oil real bad. But it's all good to go now. Yeah. Next I'll be working on the interior and body work, stuff like that eventually. But yeah, there you go. It's the last update on the motor swap on the JDM Accord. Yeah, but it turned out pretty well. It looks good. So there you have it. Until the next one, later y'all.